Now coming to the remote controller of the car, I decided to use ESP-NOW communication. For that, I'll be using ESP32 based remote controller that I built in one of my previous videos. You can definitely build this receiver on a puff board, but to make this build more professional, compact and lightweight, I decided to design and use custom PCB for this project. I started this project by designing the circuit in EasyEDA, converting it into a PCB layout and exporting the Gerber files. Then I uploaded them to glcpcb.com to order the boards. Big thanks to glcpcb for sponsoring this video. glcpcb is one of the most reliable and affordable PCB manufacturers out there. They offer everything from standard and multi-layer PCBs to advanced 6-layer PCBs, flex PCBs, PCB assembly and SMT stencils. Using 6 layers really helps in complex designs. It gives more routing freedom, cleaner signal paths and saves a lot of time. Ordering is very simple. Just upload your Gerber files, select your PCB specifications and place your order in a minutes. The interface is beginner friendly and gives you instant pricing. After a few days, my PCBs arrived and as always, the quality was excellent. Right now, glcpcb is offering a limited time deal. You can get 6-layer PCBs for just $2 and a $33 coupon using the link in the description. This time, I also ordered an SMT stencil to make the PCB assembly much easier and cleaner. Now let's prepare the PCB and jump straight into the assembly process. Alright, the assembly is complete and the result looks fantastic. Let's upload the code next. Before we continue, a big shout out to LTM for sponsoring today's video. LTM is known for supporting some of the world's most advanced electronics design workflows, helping engineers collaborate better, manage designs efficiently, and build with confidence. And if you are a student or just getting started, LTM has something truly valuable for you, LTM Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry level learning and a structured PCB program that takes you from basics to the real world design, including layout, manufacturing awareness, and supply chain fundamentals. You will work on practical projects, grow your portfolio, and even earn a certificate that helps you open doors for your future career. So if you are serious about the electronics, check the link in the description and join the LTM Student Lab today. Now let's get back to the build.